Hey, once again, it's John of Chicago South SEO and Website Services. Today we want to talk about how to add a user to WordPress. Just want to mention to you that when you first set up your WordPress website and you set up everything that goes along with it, you are automatically prompted to create what's called an administrator, and the administrator is someone that has the ability to make full changes on the WordPress website. But what you can also do, let's say you are, for instance, a blogging group, or let's say you're an organization such as a non-for-profit or even a church, which is also a non-for-profit, I guess, and you wanted to allow multiple people to work in the blog or work in the website. You can add additional users and you can change their roles, and roles are simply what's given to a WordPress user, which basically says what they can and cannot do. So here's how you add new users. The first thing you want to do is you want to come over to the left sidebar and you want to slide over and you want to click on Add New, and click on Add New. And that's going to bring you to the Add New User screen. And here's where you can do a couple of things. There's some fields that are required, but let's go ahead and let's add a user. So we'll give it a username. We'll call it Joe24. That would be the username. And there's an email, and we'll put in the email. Then we'll come down and we'll put in the name. Now this is optional, but we'll just fill these in just so you can see how it works, and whether or not that person has a website. You can put that information in as well, and we'll go ahead and do that. We'll go ahead and just fill that in since it's pre-filled. We'll get rid of that comma. That won't work. And we'll put in a password. Now keep in mind, they give you certain directions for passwords. This password should be at least 7 characters long. They also mention to make it stronger, use upper and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, things like that. And then just below that is what's called a strength indicator, and that's basically just something to indicate how good of a password you have created. So let's go ahead and put in a password. We'll put in a password real quick, and we'll confirm that on the next line. And as you can see, we've put in our password, we've confirmed it, it's a pretty strong password, and then we can come down here and we have the option to send this password to a new user. But then also we come down and we have what's called the roles section, and the roles section, as I mentioned earlier, is what gives us what gives a user the ability to make certain changes. What I want to do here is pause for a second, and I want to go to the roles and capability section of the WordPress.org website and just give you a summary of the roles that are available. There's what's called a super admin, which is someone that has the ability to administrate what's called a network blog. That doesn't apply to this example or for this video, but what does apply are the ones that are below that. And the first one we have is what's called an administrator, and the administrator is simply somebody who has access to all the administration features. That's the highest profile or the highest role that you can give a person. That's also the default account that is always set up when you create a WordPress blog or a website. Then you have what's called the editor, which is someone who can publish and manage posts and pages as well as manage other users' posts. So that would be the second strongest. And then you have the author role, the contributor role, and the subscriber role, and you can see on the screen what each has the capability of doing. And so you'd want to, we'll go back to our screen, and you'll want to set the role appropriately. And once you've done that, you've set the role. Let's say we made this person an editor. You would simply click Add New User, and this user would be added, and that person would also receive an email with the username and the password included. So that's basically how you add a new user in WordPress. And I hope this video has proved helpful for you. If you are looking for other videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit our website at www.chicagosouthseo.com. Once again, this is John. Take care and have a great day.